Welcome guys to my YouTube channel. So today I'll be teaching you how to solve all issues related to your Bluetooth on your Windows 11 or 10. So if you have your Bluetooth device or Bluetooth driver missing, I'll be teaching you how to install it and get my Bluetooth. So as you can see right here in my network settings, I basically cannot find Bluetooth here. So it could be a driver issue, an internal error, and also a software or hardware issue. So going ahead to check for my Bluetooth to see if I'm going to see my Bluetooth. So if it's an hardware issue, I'm sorry, you have to get it to the manufacturers and they will have to get this issue solved. Or if it is a software issue just like this, I'll be teaching you in the next 7 minutes for you to get your problem solved. So open your settings and I'm going to be checking for my Bluetooth here, Bluetooth and devices. So as you can see right here in my device, I can't find Bluetooth here. So what should I do? Let me just go ahead to search for Bluetooth to show you the same type of error code you are getting. Once I click on add device and click on Bluetooth, I'll see couldn't connect. So as you can see, this is couldn't connect, and let's learn how to solve this. So let's go ahead to cancel this and close my settings. So the step one on how to solve this problem is to go ahead to your Windows and search for device manager. So I'll be searching for device manager. I'm going to open my device manager here on my Windows. Then the next thing to do is to expand, then go ahead to locate Bluetooth. So I have Bluetooth here showing on my device here, as you can see here. Some people might not get to see Bluetooth here on their device. So what you should do is to tap on anywhere here on the name of your PC, click on action and click on scan for hardware changes. So once you click for scan for hardware changes, your Bluetooth should appear. But if it still doesn't, click on view and show hidden device. Your Bluetooth device should show after that. So if it doesn't work, if you have your Bluetooth working, just keep this part to the next maybe 30 seconds of the video to continue solving your issue. But if you basically can't find your Bluetooth after all the steps, I'll be teaching you how to install your Bluetooth manually. So go ahead to your Chrome and on your search bar search for this displaying HD Bluetooth driver for Windows 11 or 10 depending on what operating system you are using. So I'll go ahead to click on the official HP laptop driver and software download site. So I'm clicking on this, and as soon as my site opens, what you can do here is to just let HD or let identify your laptop. So I will let HP identify my laptop right here by just clicking on let HP detect my product. So your HP is going to click on OK, and your system will automatically scan for the kind of device you are using. So you can see the 0%, 5, then 100. So once it is now, you can see the name of my device there, HP EliteBook, and that. So next is to select this product. I'm going to go and select this product so I can get the drivers that is needed for my PC. So I'm going to click on this. It's going to take a long time though, so use this time to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So after taking a few seconds, your device should bring out everything you need, as you can see now. So the next thing is to identify and select your operating system. I'm using this Windows 11. Then here select the version. So you can see this version right here in your settings on about PC. Check my videos to check how to get this. Then I'm going to click on submit. Then once I'm done submitting, I'm going to see my driver. So I have to scroll down to see the kind of drivers we have. So you can see here view all available software and drivers. So I'll go ahead to network driver or something like that. So let's go to driver network here, and you can even see your Wi-Fi, but I need to download my Bluetooth. So I'll just click on download here and I'll tap on the downloaded file to install after everything. Then I'll have my Bluetooth there on my device. So that's how to install Bluetooth there if your Bluetooth is missing here. So once it is done, restart and you find it here. So if you have this, just go ahead to tap on your Bluetooth and enable your Bluetooth from your device manager. Then click on enable, click on next, and it should solve my issue. So I'm going to click on finish here. So I'm going to click on close. Then let's check here. Then you can see that my Bluetooth is now appearing here. So let's check to see if it's going to work. So I can go ahead to on my Bluetooth to just check. So my Bluetooth is showing, and you can see it's even on right now, and it is working perfectly. So let's go ahead to show you if your Bluetooth doesn't work, other things. So double tap on this click on drivers. The next thing to do is to click on update driver, browse my computer for device. So let me pick. Then the next thing to do is to choose any of the browser or any of the driver and just install it. Click on next and click on install. So you should solve your issue. Then you can restart your PC, then see if your Bluetooth is working. If your Bluetooth still doesn't work, it is always advisable to let me close all boxes here, yes, and go ahead to the last step or the final stages on how to bring your Bluetooth back. I'm going to click on this and I'm going to search for device or driver booster. So you can get driver booster on your Play Store, or on your Windows Store. Then you make sure everything here is complete and it is updated. So update everything and scan and update everything, and you get your Bluetooth working well on your device. So I'll be showing you other methods on how to get your Bluetooth work. So you can go ahead to your service app. So open your service app. Once you open your service app, the next thing to do is to look for, just press on your keyboard and locate B. So you're going to find this Bluetooth, so 3 Bluetooth services. Make sure all of them are running. So once you make sure all of them are running, your Bluetooth should work perfectly and should be able to connect. So after this tutorial, we're going to test my Bluetooth together to see if it is working really well. So if you followed all the steps here, your Bluetooth should work. Go ahead and restart your PC after every changes. So let's now go ahead to check my Bluetooth to see if it's going to work. So I'm going to click on more Bluetooth settings. Wait for this to load. Then I'm going to click on add device Bluetooth. Then you can see it isn't showing couldn't connect to. Right now I'll be able to add device to my Bluetooth and I can connect to any device I want to. So if this solves your issue, like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much.